Our country nowadays has been exposed to noise hazard due to noise hazard, also known as environmental noise, is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life. Most of them are harmful to a degree.
Exposure to loud noise kills nerve endings in our inner ear. More exposure will result in more dead nerve endings. The result is permanent hearing loss that cannot be corrected through surgery or with medicine. So, how do we overcome this problem?
This is the main reason why we create BssA, that stands for Barna Stem Sound Absorber. It is originally taken from the Barna stem. Why do we use Barna stem? Well, this is because the Barna stem consists of fibers, which is known for its benefits in weight loss. But obviously, the benefits is not only that. Our group have made a research about this case, and we found that fibers also can absorb sound from the surrounding. This makes us all agree to use Barna stem as sound absorber, as it can easily be obtained everywhere. On top of that, Barna tree is much cheaper than modern technology that we have nowadays, which is not cost effective for some people. We want everyone, including the poor people, to have access to a pleasant and cozy home. Many people has been planting Barna tree, but they only make use of the fruit. This gives us more reason to use Barna stem to prevent it from going to waste. This is good for our environment to reduce the amount of waste that can contribute to pollution, which is dangerous to the earth. So, how does this project work? Is it really possible for the Barna stem to absorb sound? We will explain as best as we can in this video. Now, let's look at the simulation animation that our group made so that we can understand better about this project.
Let's look at simulation 1. As we can see, the wall is being planted with normal cement that doesn't contain any additional substance in it. The sound that being produced by the speaker is reflected more from one wall to another wall. This will make the room become more noisier than usual because of the echo of the sound. The echo of the sound also cannot be absorbed by the wall because the cement doesn't have any other addition material in it. Compared to simulation 2, let's take a look at simulation 2. Come on, let's look at simulation 2. As we can see in simulation 2, the wall has been planted with cement that contain banana stem in it. When the speaker produces sound, the sound that being reflected is less compared to sound that being reflected in simulation 1. This means that more sound being absorbed by the wall that have banana stem in the cement. Therefore, it also unconsciously can reduce the noise hazard to surrounding. First, cut the banana stem into small pieces. Second, dry it under the sun for 3 days. Third, after 3 days, collect it and blend it. Fourth, after blending the banana stem, compress it with cement and leave it to dry. Fifth, pour the cement mixture into a mold with 60 gram dry banana stem to form 1 cm of specimen material. The banana stem is laminated between the cement. 6. Prepare 1 mold containing only cement mixture for control experiment. Repeat step 196 with the following measurement of specimen material. Time to test it. First, cut the pipe into 1 meter length and drill a hole near the specimen material to insert a microphone. Second, make a hole for mic insertion. Third, connect the microphone to the sound generator, amplifier and speaker to measure the intensity of sound.
We also provided data that represent this situation. As we can see, the thicker the specimen material of banana stem in cement, the higher the coefficient of sound absorption. Therefore, it is proof that banana stem is a good sound absorber.
We can conclude that BssA is the greatest alternative that we can promote, as the banana stem can absorb sound, which is also one of our goals for this project. On top of that, banana stem also release zero carbon to the surrounding that can contribute to greenhouse effect and causes global warming. Therefore, BssA needs to be commercialized worldwide, and everyone has to have a BssA in their house for a better and healthy life.